I grew up on the West Coast most of my life and have been incredibly passionate about protecting the oceans. I had always dreamt of being able to contribute in a way that would marry my two passions. One is beauty and the other is oceanic preservation. I have been in the beauty industry for almost 25 years. It's important to take a step back and look at the harmful impact on the environment and our oceans. There's a real genuine dedication to getting the beauty industry to be more sustainable. And for us, we define it as consciously sourcing ingredients. Amyris's mission is to replace unsustainable ingredients in all of our consumer products worldwide with sustainable solutions while giving you the same results that you expect.
There's more and more awareness among consumers as to where the ingredients are coming from, and they're demanding more sustainable sources for those same ingredients. We understand the challenges of manufacturing, and we have figured out how to solve some of those challenges in the lab. Biotechnology offers us a solution where we can actually use nature to produce those same ingredients. So the first step is understanding how is that ingredient made. We generate millions of yeast strains per year designed to produce a target ingredient. First, we test each strain in a 100 microliter plate culture. However, the conditions in this size plate are a lot different from that of a 200,000 liter manufacturing tank. And so we test the strains under lots of conditions like temperature and/or media components, among many others, and apply mathematical models to predict how well they'll perform on a larger scale. The best strains are then moved to the next stage of testing in half-liter to 2-liter fermentation tanks. We continue to monitor the strain's performance before they finally go into a 200,000 liter tank that can be reproduced over and over at minimal risk, low cost, and at a far greater commercial scale.
A grande vantagem da nossa fábrica é a escala. É incrível. A gente consegue, com quase nenhuma variação, manter o mesmo grau de pureza que foi desenvolvido lá na Califórnia. Nós temos 5 linhas de fermentação, o que nos permite fazer 5 diferentes ingredientes com alta qualidade ao mesmo tempo. Nossa escala de produção é 100.000 vezes maior. A gente trabalha em sinergia com o maior produtor de açúcar do mundo ao nosso lado, e é de lá que a gente recebe tanto vapor quanto energia elétrica, 2 fontes importantíssimas de energia para o nosso processo.
Sugarcane has been shown to be scalable to meet the demands of this industry. For our manufacturing facility to be co-located with the sugarcane field itself is extremely important. The less transportation we have to do to bring our feedstock to the facility, the less expensive it gets both from the environmental and the economical standpoint. In my opinion, biomanufacturing is here to stay. And in my opinion, in the next decade or two, we will see biomanufacturing be the de facto process for generating some of these ingredients. And the consumers don't have to rely on an inferior product to get to the same ingredient. So I think the future is bright.
The science is the star. And that's what draws celebrities and influencers and change makers to us. And in return, there's an incredible amount of dedication and focus on building a more sustainable future. I couldn't be prouder, and it's for my kids and also grandkids that will just hopefully live in a more sustainable future.